Here's how to draw Seline the Snail from Garten of BanBan. We're going to start out with the shell. And then continue the shell around. Then where we stopped right here, we just got to connect it. Next, we're going to come over here and draw the neck. Just goes up. On this side, we're going to draw a line coming down. And it curves in towards the body. Goes under the shell. And stops just a ways out. And then we're going to connect the bottom of the shell to the tip of the tail. Up here, we're going to draw a kind of diamond type shape. Line comes out here. Line comes out here. Then add a little curve at the end of these lines. Then draw towards a point up here. And stop. And then connect. Next, we're going to draw a circle. And then draw a pupil. Come over here and draw a circle. And a pupil. Then we're going to draw a line coming down at an angle towards the face. And another one. Come over to this side, draw a line coming down towards the face. And another one. Then we're going to draw a smile type shape right here. Then draw another smile shape on top. In the middle here, we're going to draw a horizontal line across and stop about there. And then draw a line at an angle here, then do an angle down here, and an angle down here. And that's how you draw Seline from Garten of BanBan. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing, and be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel. See you in the next video.